In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload images in Replit. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click and how to get a whole folder of images into your project so you can use them right away. First, open the app or project where you want to add images. Make sure you're in the correct Replit workspace, because the images you upload will be stored with this specific project. It helps to have the project files visible so you can confirm where your images end up. Next, open the Files pane on the right by clicking its icon at the top right. This pane is where Replit shows your project's folders and files. If your screen is narrow, the pane might be collapsed. Just look for the folder icon near the top right area of the interface. Once the Files pane appears, you'll see the current structure of your project and any existing assets. With the Files pane open, look to its top right and click the three dots icon. This is the menu that holds additional file options. It's easy to miss if you're new to Replit, but it's the key to bringing in more than a single file at a time. From that menu, choose Upload Folder. This tells Replit you want to bring in an entire directory from your computer rather than one image at a time. It's the best option when you already have your images organized locally. Now, select the folder on your computer that contains the images you want to use and confirm the upload. Replit will start importing that folder, preserving the internal structure and file names. Depending on the size and number of images, this may take a moment. Keep file names simple and consistent, and use common formats like PNG or JPG for smooth previews and compatibility. Once the upload finishes, you'll see the folder appear in the Files pane. You can expand it, browse its contents, and verify that everything arrived. If you click on an image, Replit can preview it in the editor so you can quickly confirm you've got the right file. The folder path you see here is what your code will reference, so take a quick look to note the exact folder and file names. And that's all. You've successfully uploaded your images into Replit by opening your project, revealing the Files pane, using the three dots menu, choosing Upload Folder, and selecting your local images folder. If something doesn't appear right away, give it a second to finish syncing. With your images in place, you're ready to use them in your app, site, or game.